Welcome everyone to our YouTube channel Decode ITES. Decode ITES provides you single learning platform for multiple IT technologies. My name is Rohit Garg and I am having 13 years of experience as database administrator, database developer and trainer. You can also follow us on my personal blog MS SQL Fun. SQL Server Sample Databases. This is next chapter of our SQL Server learning series. To start your learning of SQL Server and testing new features, Microsoft provides some of ready-to-use sample databases. These are very useful for students and new learners. Although you can create your own database and database objects, but having an exact setup with detail of objects like table store procedures is very helpful and easy to test new features. Microsoft provides two sample databases which you can find at below link. One is AdventureWorks and one is Wide World Importers. So to download SQL Server Setup, I will not recommend to use the particular link shared in PowerPoint presentation. Just go to the Google and mention SQL Server Sample Database. This is because Microsoft keeps changing these links with the introduction or the launch of new SQL Server versions. When you go to this link, it will gives you option of two sample databases like mentioned before, AdventureWorks and Wide World Importers. AdventureWorks is a legacy sample database. I am seeing it from SQL Server 2000. Microsoft upgrading it with new features and database object with the launch of each new version. So in sample databases overview, one is AdventureWorks. So in AdventureWorks, install and configure, and you can see you have a direct link of SQL Server 2017 backup file, 16 backup file, 14, 12 and 2008 R2 backup file. Similarly, you have analysis services backup and other creation scripts as well. These creation scripts are very useful for the environment where you don't have download privileges. Like you are trying to do some testing on your office systems and you are not allowed to download backup files, then you can download these GIF files and it will create your own database objects along with database. So let's download 2017 backup file. Meanwhile, it's getting download. Let's move to worldwide importers. In worldwide importers, under the OLTP, go to install and configure. AdventureWorks backup files are directly downloadable from Microsoft sites, where worldwide importer is downloadable from GitHub. So when you click at this link under the download worldwide importer release, it will automatically take you to the GitHub. And from GitHub, you can download the backup files. And similarly to the AdventureWorks, you will see the OLAP backups and the creation scripts of worldwide importers. So we are now at GitHub, and as I mentioned that we have the full backup file, we have the OLAP backup file, we have sample creation scripts, sample create scripts, and multiple other things you can download on the basis of your requirement. So we will download the full backup file. So let's get it restored in our SQL Server instance that we installed in our previous lesson. So let's restore the AdventureWorks first. Device, add, go to the location where you have downloaded the files, verify the backup. Okay, your AdventureWorks is restored successfully. Now we have a ton of wide world importers, same steps, device, add, at location, wide importers. Okay, restored. So your both databases are ready to use now. Once your worldwide importer restore is complete, your both databases will be ready to use. So in meantime, your worldwide is restoring. Let's explore the AdventureWorks. In AdventureWorks, we already have a list of tables that we can use to test multiple features or multiple commands. It will have some views as well. So your wide volume portal is also ready. This is today's lesson where we see how to download sample databases and get it restored on SQL Server instance.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share and comment our videos. Also subscribe to our channel.